To change the transmission fluid on your RZR XP, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure the parking brake is set. Then place a drain pan underneath the transmission. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Next, clean the area around the fill plug. Remove the fill plug, then set the fill plug aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Then inspect both plugs and ensure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches, and replace if necessary. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the gear case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.